Number 1.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,900. The is a solid example of a dependable full-size pickup that has been well cared for over the years. With 129,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is powered by the proven 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and plenty of strength for everyday driving or light work. It also comes equipped with a 4x4 system, making it capable and confident in a variety of road conditions. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features a comfortable tan cabin that reflects its era yet remains in good shape. A 6.5-foot bed provides ample utility for hauling, adding to its practicality. Recently, the Sierra received a full service along with a fresh PA inspection and emissions completed on September 26, giving peace of mind to the next owner. To top it off, it has been fitted with 4 brand new tires, ensuring it is road-ready.
Number 2.
1978 Dodge D150, price $9,850, powered by a strong 360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the kind of performance and smooth driving experience enthusiasts appreciate. This example features a later 1980s style grille, which gives it a unique look while still staying true to its classic Mopar roots.
The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, starting easily and handling the road with confidence.
What makes it even more appealing is its condition. It is very clean, solid throughout, and far from being a rot box, which is rare for a vehicle of this age. Altogether, this truck is fun and dependable driver that can be enjoyed every day or proudly shown off at local meets.
Number 3.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 327 V8 engine that delivers plenty of strength, paired with a T5 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly and adds to the truck's engaging driving experience. Both the exterior and interior are finished in a matching blue, giving it a cohesive and timeless look that reflects the era it came from. Running on gasoline, the C10 starts up with ease, runs strong, and drives exactly as it should. The truck remains in very solid overall condition, making it not only enjoyable to take on the road but also a fine example of a vintage Chevrolet pickup. With its combination of classic styling, durable construction, and driver-focused performance, it stands out as a fun and reliable truck that continues to turn heads wherever it goes. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000. The truck is a beautifully restored classic that shows only 42,000 miles. Painted in a clean silver finish with a vibrant red interior, it runs on a strong 400 horsepower gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column, delivering a truly vintage driving feel. The long bed is protected with a durable rhino liner, while brand new tires ensure a confident ride. The truck is rust-free aside from a small mark on the passenger door from a garage bump, and a replacement door is included in the sale. Inside, the red cabin is enhanced with an all-digital dash and fully functional gauges, offering a blend of classic style and modern convenience. This C10 drives like new, carries the soul of a traditional pop-pop pickup, and turns heads with the power and presence of a much larger engine.
Number 5.
1976 Ford F-150, price $10,000, shows about 160,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. Originally powered by a 360 FE, it now runs a presumed 300 straight-six with full-time 4WD and a 203 transfer case. Finished in green inside and out, it runs on gasoline and carries a great patina with a strong stance. Upgrades include a Clifford intake, headers, true MagnaFlow dual exhaust, DUI ignition, and a large radiator that keeps it cool. Power disc brakes add confidence on the road, and the truck has passed New York State inspection with everything working as it should. It starts, runs, and drives well, though with a 6-cylinder, 2-barrel carburetor, and 3.50 gears, speed isn't its strong suit. The interior is usable but rough, with floor repairs that aren't pretty though functional. Toss in some carpet and it's good to go. Rust is limited to the cab mounts and a few body spots, while the bed remains in great condition. Overall, it's a solid, good-looking classic truck that delivers reliability and vintage character.
Number 6.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. This truck has 183,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong V8 5.3, 4x4 with a floor shift. The truck features a 2004 GMC front bumper and grille, giving it a refreshed look, while the 17-inch OEM wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires add to both its style and capability. The Sierra runs and drives great with no issues.
It remains completely bone stock, aside from its updated headlights and fog lights, which are brand new.
Comfort is assured with a cold air conditioning system and a hot heater, making it ready for any season. This clean, well-kept truck comes with a blue title in hand.
Number 7.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. It features a gray exterior with a matching gray interior and has 201,000 mostly highway miles. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine and automatic transmission, it has been meticulously maintained by its current owner, an aircraft mechanic. The truck rides on good tires with 75% tread life and has received regular 5K oil changes, along with a transmission service at 180K miles. A brand new AC system with all new components provides cold air, supported by a dual electric cooling fan kit for hot Texas summers. Recent updates include a new windshield, upgraded radio and speakers, fresh lighting, a new water pump, coolant sensor, heater core, radiator and hoses, plus a fully refreshed braking system with new booster, master cylinder, calipers, rotors, pads, and hoses.
Number 8.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,850. This truck comes with 130,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue on both the exterior and interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a reliable 350 motor. The truck runs and drives well, with a smooth shifting automatic transmission and cold air conditioning for added comfort. It has been fitted with a new exhaust system, rides on a set of nice wheels and tires, and has been professionally lowered using a proper lowering kit. The vehicle is offered with a clear title in hand, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 9.
1987 Dodge D150, price $7,000. This truck shows just 64,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with the dependable slant 6 engine paired to a 4-speed manual transmission.
Finished in white with a contrasting blue interior, this two-wheel drive pickup has a classic look that's enhanced by its authentic patina.
Recently, it was lowered and fitted with brand new method wheels and new tires, giving it a refreshed stance while maintaining its vintage appeal. The truck runs and drives flawlessly with no mechanical issues, reflecting how well it has been cared for.
It was purchased directly from the original owner, adding to its history and value as a true survivor.
With its clean title in hand and a combination of originality and tasteful updates, this Dodge D150 stands out as a unique and well-preserved classic pickup.
Number 10.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $6,900, powered by a dependable 250 inline 6-cylinder engine and paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. It shows just 99,121 believed original miles, a testament to its longevity. With only 2 owners in the last 50 years, this truck has clearly been cared for and kept in strong running condition. Its blue exterior and matching blue interior highlight the vintage character of the era, giving it a truly timeless appeal. Recent improvements include new tires, new rear drums and shoes, and a new dual exhaust system, ensuring that it performs as well as it looks.
Running on gasoline, the truck starts with ease, drives smoothly, and offers an authentic driving experience that captures the charm of a mid-70s Chevrolet C10.